If there's one dish that screamed my mom, it's definitely her Shanghainese noodle with the fried pork chop. Now this time I make it with the chicken. It's super crunchy and you definitely need to give it a try. It's warm, cozy, and definitely a perfect noodle dish for winter season. First, we're gonna rinse and pat dry the chicken and then use a meat tenderizer tool to make small uniform punctures across the meat. This ensures even absorption of the marinade and soften the texture. Marinate the chicken thigh with the following ingredient, and the key is white pepper powder. Let it marinate in the fridge for at least 1 hour before frying it. The fried chicken is gonna go through 3 layers of coating. First is going to be the seasoned flour, and then the egg wash, and finally 1 layer of breadcrumbs. Make sure you don't leave any bald spot. If you want to do the soft version like my mom, you can do the egg wash first and then do the flour. Heat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry it for 8 to 10 minutes or until the internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Here is the list for the Shanghainese noodle. First, we're gonna cut the pork shoulder against the grain into strips and marinate it with the list of ingredients here. Let it sit in the fridge for at least 1 hour before you start cooking. Clean and rehydrate the shiitake mushroom. Remove the stem and cut them into strips. Don't forget to save the mushroom soaking water. We will use it for the broth later on. Slice the ginger and crush the garlic. This will help bring up the flavor. I like to rinse my pickle green and edamame before eating it, but you can skip this step. Add a little bit of oil on medium heat. Add sliced ginger and crushed garlic. Stir fry it for about 30 seconds until it fragrance. Add the pork and stir fry it for about 2 minutes. It doesn't need to be cooked, we just have to brown the outside. Now add in the shiitake mushroom, mix it real quick, and then add oyster sauce. My mom always say that if you cook any type of mushroom, oyster sauce will make a huge difference. Now add in the edamame and the Shanghainese pickle green. Stir fry everything for about 2 minutes and then add in the mushroom soaking water and the chicken stock. Boil everything for 30 minutes and it's ready to go. My mom liked to stir fry everything first and then put everything in a pot and boil separately, but I just do everything in the wok and it still tastes amazing. Boil your noodle according to manufacturer guideline, but then minus 2 minutes. Let the noodle boil in the broth for 2 minutes and it will soak up all the amazing flavors. Hot savory broth with crunchy fried chicken. This is the perfect combo you can ask for in winter. Alright, that's it for this week's video. Make sure you like and subscribe and check out all my other easy recipes. I'll see you next week.